All right, good morning, guys. Feeling fresh, feeling good. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Thursday, the 26th of October. Haven't been or was not able to trade this week yet. So, although I let my forecast, and you can see that where I said it might come up and then come down, and I'm only looking to trade from here. After we took that low, after we took previous daily lows, so to say, got a little move to the upside. Nothing more than just another break to the downside. Following base structure, sorry. And price continued further down. Nothing of interest for us. We took previous weekly highs. We broke bullish. We now inside discount pricing in our bullish range. So what are we looking at? We already took previous daily lows. I think it's somewhere over here. This one. So those have already been taken out. Got a nice inducement there though. We can remove this. This can go. This can go. This go. This go. This can go. We can add this to the higher time frame. Go. We're now inside 1 hour. This is taken out. Oh. Take out previous daily lows. As I said, now looking at this, I remember that this is still quite correctional. This on the way up was also quite correctional. Then here we impulsed, and the rest of it was quite correctional again. Daily wise, I think this is a wick. No, we just closed. Oh yeah, because we closed above there. All right, looking at the daily, what do we have? What can we see so far? As I said, with that weekly, it's interesting. We closed above, inside bar, taken out. Huge wick. And we still have 2 days left, but potential bearish closure to the downside. That doji, kind of what's it called? A hanging man? Kind of, I don't know. But it's indicating that we grab liquidity to the upside and now have potential power and volume, so to say, velocity, whatever. I'm lost of words, but essentially we have reason, or there's what's it called? I don't know. But there is reason for price to move to the downside now, and especially because the way it's moving, took that internal range of liquidity right there as well. If we pull this across, it's really minor that we tapped into that internal range liquidity. So nothing wrong with seeing this as a fake break, then this being the correctional price movement, and then this being that liquidity grabs then continue further to the downside. Looking at the 4 hour, we have strong bearish 4 hour candles. But we still have this bullish range. So that's what we're working with right now. Going to the 1 hour, internal range liquidity been taken out. Huge range, by the way, or huge big range. Internal range liquidity been taken out already. Just missed 50% of our demand zone. So ideally, we wait for price to tap into that, although we already tapped into that last unmitigated candle, that unbalanced candle. We already tapped into the imbalance. What's this? Oh, this is the old one. Hold on. Showing. Wow, it's completely filled already. All right, it's not working. So no shit. All right. So, but we took internal range liquidity, inside the bullish range, lower each range still to the downside. What we're looking at is probably a break. We're already below previous daily lows, so we will be looking for long trades after this Asia low has been taken out. Targeting at least Asia highs. Ideally 1 to 4. So for me today, will be something like this. I won't be trading, of course. Well, yeah, I don't know if I have time to trade. It's just so busy with the Forex tool. And I like to work during the morning hours, just as I like to trade during the morning hours, and work goes first now, so 15. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, that's EU for now. Looking at, yeah, that candle there. Yesterday's candle was a strong candle to the downside, barely any buyers left at the end. Gotta say though that we formed that candle at the end of the day, so yeah, that's a bit one thing that's a bit against it. That's the only thing though. So it really doesn't say anything. No, it doesn't say much. Whoops. All right, so let's see. We talk about structure. We are, oh, let's zoom out where we are. Because if we look at this, it's look like a trend line, right? And we also want to see low pricing here. So that's a bit against this blue structure, which is quite correctional if you ask me anyway. So with the news, I don't know if there is news for X Factory. There's a lot of news today. Gross domestic product, unemployment, farm pay, job claims, EU news. Well, what time zone is this? Is it in the right time zone? Yeah. Hmm. But with the news, or even potentially without the news, we might take out this trend line and continue further to the downside, take out the liquidity here, tap into these low areas, tap into discount pricing of this overall leg, the yellow one. And from there, we might get the move to the upside. Now, what does it look like? Because I'm too long on EU. What does it look like on DXY? Yeah, DXY is already showing it. Well, not yet, but perfect equal. So that'll be taken out soon. Yeah, so DXY is going to move higher. Though there's not much internal range liquidity, I think that this is indicating the impulsiveness compared to this correctionalness. That's a word. And I think we gonna move higher on DXY, and we're gonna head for this area right here. Because we took liquidity to the lows, so we need to take liquidity to the highs. After that, our next target will be down here, because there's not much internal here. Still that area there. And yeah, for EU, that will be this area here. So yeah, I'm looking for longs on EU, but DXY is not showing me anything relevant to that. I'm waiting for DXY to get above that high at least. Take out those highs and then maybe get a move from above there. That would be ideal. That would line up with EU, giving us a long trade. Just a 1 to 4. As we break bullish here, so EU potentially breaks bearish here. Then GU. Nice. Taking out all that to previous weekly lows, to previous daily lows again. And let's just put it there. Doesn't matter. Well, it does, but took up previous daily lows, previous weekly highs are taken. Previous daily highs now are still intact. Got that bearish structure there. This was just a fake out. Yeah. Nice high time for early buyers though. This is so correctional. This is looking nice. Look at the impulse there. Taken out. We had those eagles there. Those were taken out. Then we got in early buyers. Now, if we now get the move, that's super clean. That's so clean. So for GU, pretty much same as EU. We're still looking for buys until we break bearish. Be Asia low. I think this would be the real Asia low. Don't know. So yeah, for EU, GU, looking for longs, no areas to short from. They're way too far away. Although we had a high, a low, lower high. So for EU, we could sell there though. Bit of a large area. Could look for a sell from that area. And then to target these lows, of course. Target is low. So yeah, EU, longs here, shorts here. GU, yeah, could do the same. Could do the same. Why not? Not on real Asia high, so there's not much liquidity for you. And then the XY still didn't break above yet. That's a nice, yeah, that has a nice area there. See how I took that low, swept that low there. So yeah, they're realigning. We got areas for longs, we got areas for shorts. That's what I'm working with today. These below Asia low, above Asia high. Same for GU, below Asia low. Well, at least deeper into this range right now. And then above Asia highs, there's a huge area we're in, by the way. Where we created this equals, so that might be taken out as well. I think that's the same as on EU. Kinda, yeah. Take that out. Yeah. And then DXY shorts from above that high. Shorts from above that high. All right, yeah, that's my pre-market analysis. Get you guys in the market. Good luck, and speak to you soon. If you got questions, if you want to just talk about charts, whatever, hit me up. Throw me a message, and I will reply when I'm available. MyOFX24.